Now, growing a small service-based business can be stressful and expensive. So in this video, I'm going to give you affordable tips that you could use to grow your small service-based business, because growing a business, it doesn't have to cost a fortune. And these tips are going to work well for all home service providers like painters, cleaners, landscapers, etc. In this series, I'm going to give you examples of successful low-cost methods that you can decide whether or not to use to grow your business. The first reason your small business is not growing is because you don't have a clear marketing strategy. So here's what I do. The goal of any business is to make money, and to make money we need leads, and to get leads we need to market. So what I would do is every day I use what I call the ABCs. It's a 3-part daily activity that allows me to grow my client base, and you can do this on day one. So A, advertise in a way that gets me paid the same day. For example, something that could do this would be door knocking. You go out that same day, it's relatively free. I mean, it's inexpensive. Of course, you're gonna have to pay for gas and everything, but door knocking or cold calling, you just say you're raking leaves. You say, hey, I noticed your yard full of leaves. I can rake them right now and haul them away for X amount of dollars. That's a way that you can get out there today and start advertising your service in a way that doesn't really cost you anything. Now, every day you want to make a point to do this, right? These tips that I'm giving you, you want to do them every single day. So every day, make a point to knock on 10 or 20 or 30 doors, whatever you choose. Now, this is the cheapest form of advertising, and it's a proven strategy to get sales. Some companies call this boots on the ground. Next is B. Market your service in a way that gets you paid next week. An example of this would be like posting before and after pictures on your social media accounts, or running ads with a small budget. Ads and social media posts, now these get viewed every day, like even when you're sleeping. So they're working for you even when you're not out there doing it, and it's free. So every day you want to produce a post that shows what you're selling. I like to use before and after pictures, so like on my personal social media, and then I'll share that to like a local community group in your area. So like my city has a couple different groups that the community all follow to kind of stay up on the up and up what's going on in town. So make sure you put your post on your personal Facebook, and then share that post of your before and after pictures and what you're offering, whether it's raking leaves or painting a house or whatever. And then you share that post onto the community Facebook group. And that works. I've been doing that for years, especially when I first started out. That was the best way that I found to generate leads for no money. Because what ends up happening is when users of the group, they ask, hey, does anybody know a reputable painter in town? You're going to get referrals from people who keep seeing your post. Now they're like, oh, he's busy. It's like social proofing. And this method works, and you want to do this daily in tandem with the door knocking. Daily. Both activities are virtually free advertising. They drum up leads, and you just got to do this daily. Make sure you're doing all 3 of these daily. The next on the list is C. You want to market your service in a way that gets you paid in the future. So now this tactic might cost a little bit, but it doesn't have to break the bank. And it is an effective way to dominate locally. So what I've done in the past when starting a new business, because I do painting, I do solar panel cleaning, and parking lot striping. Every time I've started up one of those new businesses, I go down to Chamber of Commerce and I sign up with them, because what happens is they'll present you with different opportunities to sponsor local events like street fairs or wine walks or like athletic programs. And what this does is it creates brand awareness in the community. And by offering such discounts like free cleaning with every exterior wash when you present this coupon, that's something that will drum up customers and get you paid in the future, right? Because they have this little ticket, maybe they're saving, they want to get the house painted in spring, so they're going to wait until spring to use the little coupon that they got in their like gift bag, So Chamber of Commerce will do things like, if there's a community street fair, maybe Chamber of Commerce will have a table there with free gift bags, and in those gift bags, typically every business owner in the community will offer some kind of discount, right? It's like $10 off your first haircut, or if it's a monthly service, get your first month free when you sign up. So stuff like that. So what I like to do for my painting business, I offer a free window washing with every exterior cleaning, and that always makes me look better, because no one else in the area is really doing that. A window cleaning is fairly inexpensive, relatively inexpensive, and I have a guy that does give me a little bit of discount because he knows that I drum up a lot of that work, and I just pay him. I just basically factor it into my bid, and it works like wonders. So if that's something you guys can do. So I hope these 3 affordable ways to grow your small business will help you generate more money so you can spend more time doing the things you love. So just a real quick recap, what you want to do is you want to do all 3 of these methods in tandem every single day. So make sure you do all 3 of these things in tandem daily. So A is advertise in a way that gets you paid the same day. B is market so you get paid, say, next week. And then C is market in a way that's going to get you paid in the future and for time to come. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, consider subscribing so you don't miss the part 2. And if you guys are more interested in some one-on-one training with me, I do have some training courses available below which go over my marketing strategy, my exact marketing strategy on Facebook, plus a lot more. So check out those links, a lot of helpful resources down there. So remember, anything's possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.